Run, Forrest, run! What's up? What's up? Good morning, my people. What's up? It's your boy Jay here together with the family. First thing first, Happy New Year to every one of you who's watching this video. Who ain't subscribed, you can go and subscribe, like, comment, and we have some fun. Well, let's see. It's a new year, 2022. So let's get cracking. What we're gonna do today? I have a little meeting down on the west side, so I say, well, here what is going on, but I carry the family. And we kill two birds with one stone. Go down there, we might take a little bait, we go a little inshore fishing and see where we get, right? So stay tuned for more what?
Videos!
Right, nicely done. Alright, let's roll. We're not going to meet it long, you know. Huh? I want to take a bit one time here. But I go down in the fisheries, you know. Later. Fellas went on that day, find the distance. Water calm and nice. Alright folk, the bait I'm kind of far out. So We gonna try somewhere else and see if we get some bait again.
Yes.
If not,
Can't swim, guys. I can't swim. Well, I could swim, but not plenty swimming. Can't swim a lot.
alright, we get cracking.
Guys, let's get crack-a-lackin'.
Yes, folks. Check out this small little nice red stuff. Pretty, eh?
I have a grunt. I have many grunts.
Alright, leave go and release it there. Come. Come back here.
Tomorrow. Let's go see.
You show the baby it before you thing it. Show the little child it.
Yeah.
You don't want to go.
Yeah, you go slow. You go. You get back into the thing. You
Take
go
that one
stand
home. Wait, he did.
Well, folks, there you have it. Catch and release. I keep in this because I don't know where I go end up there now. This video ain't finished yet. We're gonna see what we can do. But if it finish, well, it done. Right, so stay tuned. Let me see where we're going from here. Well, the China done babe. Watch him. Eat it now. Yeah, we hold some little hard back here right now for bait hard down here. We hold one nice little redfish. Yeah, small little fella, but we release him as you see. I ain't feeling to end this video here, you know. But I don't have nothing in mind. Here what? You do some magic and end up where you end up at. Wait, so let's see.
Yeah.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. And look where he is now.
Yeah, guys, so the magic actually pulled it to the river.
Wow. Poor boat, a boat singing.
Little baby fishes.
Well, let me see if we can get a little catfish or a few. 2 or 3, you know. Something to play the fool with now.
A crab.
So let me try and see what we can do.
It's a crab. Wait. Look at me. You see a crab?
This is what we used to call them long time. I don't know the actual name. Folks, take a look at this. Just look at this papa tree there. Short, small. I ain't so. Well, actually, I taller than the tree. What just that? Wee. Nice. Sweet, sweet. Way. Oh, nice inside here now. Cool vibes. You know something, folks? I really know the crab industry thing this run now, boy, but there are plenty baby crabs. I ain't seen not a big, nice crab self. No way. Hey, Ollie, look two monkey. Look two monkey. Look down there. Two monkey. Beautiful spot.
Into all, guys.
Caroni, watch. Run, Forrest, run! Run, Forrest, run!
She insists she wants to walk.
She insists, but she running.
Diana walking.
Dinah walking? Dinah running?
I'm out of here.
Who say leave she? Leave she! Run, Forrest! Dad?
Not that much, but I'm tired.
Folks, I was really gonna leave she, but it's exercise, she exercised. Now I know what fat she gained and she said she had a burnout. Alright, jump in, let me go.
Open the door. Open the door.
Alright, then we gotta leave she.
Got it. Got it open.
Sorry.
It's my turn. Can it be my
Be careful, girls, not too close. Olen, ready to go home?
No, this is very fun. So everybody know I'm going to watch it. And she's obsessed with cats. She's seeing cats all over the place. She going mad. Yeah, guys, because I'm a cat, and I love doing that little chill thing because we have like a ton of cats. I want a cat. Let's go see what Daddy doing.
Yes, folk. No such luck. Alright. Spending the day with the family. Nice. Very, very nice. We got some nice weather. We're down Chaguaramas. We end up by Caroni Bird Sanctuary. Let's kill it a little time. Looking to head out there now. Go home. Take a fresh up and watch a little movie or something. As I say, that is how we just live. That is how we just operate. How we just do it. That word.
Spur of the moment.
Yeah, spur at the moment. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. It'll be coming soon more. I'll try to upload as much as I could. Fans who know me real good know that the job that I do and how hard it is for me, right? As well as I have other work doing elsewhere. So that's why you ain't seen about the boat or nothing thing, you know, blah 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 blah. So don't worry. This year I'm gonna try to see if I can upload as much video I could. Just remember now to be safe, stay safe, and blaze up. For now, we out.